video I make a key holder from a piece of scrap oak flooring and some bolts. I started by planing and sanding all sides of the scrap to smooth the faces and remove the finish and the grooves that are part of the floorboards. After planing and sanding, the piece of wood was roughly 210mm by 40mm and 15mm thick. I simply divided 210 by 5 to get the spacing for the holes, making them 42mm apart. I used a drill press to drill 6mm holes so that they would be square to the face of the wood. I used a tap to thread the holes for the bolts to be screwed into. I drilled holes slightly undersized and tapped the holes slightly undersized for the bolts so that it would be a tight fit. The bolts aren't intended to be removed. I then screwed the bolts into the holes using an Allen key and a square to make sure that they were going in straight. I originally intended on using epoxy to secure the bolts, but the fit was so tight that it wasn't needed. I finished the piece with a 50-50 mix of beeswax and mineral oil.